Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying fiber content and doing a small patch test so you avoid irreversible damage. Once done, set up a ventilated workspace, put on gloves, and measure the remover exactly per label directions. Accuracy matters because concentration controls how aggressive the chemistry is. Make sure the garment is recently washed and still damp so the solution penetrates evenly. Now mix according to instructions and have a timer ready. Begin treatment immediately after mixing to maintain strength. You apply the remover following the product method, either full submersion or targeted blotting, because delivery affects how dye is extracted. Once the fabric is treated, agitate gently every few minutes to keep the solution moving and to lift dye away. Check progress by pressing to a white towel. Make sure to bowl treat darker garments cautiously and heed the maximum time recommended, since extended exposure can weaken fibers. If you see fraying or excessive color loss, stop immediately and rinse. You finish by rinsing the garment thoroughly until the water runs clear, because residual remover will continue acting if left in the fibers. Once rinsed, neutralize if the product requires it, then wash separately on a gentle cycle to remove loosened dye and residues. Air dry to prevent heat setting any remaining discoloration. If the stain persists after a careful repeat, try a second short treatment or consult a professional cleaner. Avoid repeated harsh treatments that can ruin fabric structure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.